Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 powerful tips to bring your Canva designs to life. Let's jump right in. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1. Play with colors and textures. Experiment with different color palettes, gradients, and textures to create visual interest and evoke emotion in your audience. Use contrasting colors to make elements pop and draw attention to key parts of the design. Don't be afraid to mix and match colors and textures to create a unique and eye-catching look that reflects your brand's personality. Tip 2. Incorporate dynamic elements. Next, incorporate dynamic elements that add movement and energy to your designs. Canva offers a range of animated elements such as GIFs, stickers, and effects that can help bring your designs to life. Consider adding subtle animations or transitions to your graphics to make them more engaging and interactive. Tip 3. Use high-quality images and graphics. When designing in Canva, always use high-quality images and graphics to ensure your designs looked polished and professional. Choose images that are clear, crisp, and relevant to your message or theme. Canva's extensive library of stock photos and graphics make it easy to find the perfect visuals for your designs. Tip 4. Pay attention to typography. Typography plays a crucial role in design, so pay close attention to font choices, sizes, and styles when creating your designs in Canva. Use fonts that complement your brand's aesthetic and are easy to read across different devices and screen sizes. Experiment with different font pairings to create visual hierarchy and emphasize your designs. Tip 5. Add personal touches. Finally, add personal touches to your designs to make them feel authentic and relatable to your audience. Consider incorporating custom illustrations, hand-drawn elements, or personal photos to add a personal touch to your designs. Showcasing your unique personality and style will help your designs stand out and resonate with your audience on a deeper level. Well, there you have it, 5 tips to bring your Canva designs to life. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here with more design tips and tricks every single week. Need more guidance or have specific questions? Reach out via email or our live chat on the website. And until next time, happy designing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.